Taking care of yourself isn't just something you do, it's a sign that you're growing up. When you were little, someone else probably helped you stay clean, but now it's all on you. If you're figuring out how to create your own personal hygiene routine, this video is perfect for you. Today, I'm going to talk about hygiene for guys because that's what I know best. Let's be honest, many guys struggle with how to keep themselves clean and fresh, and often they feel like they have to deal with it alone. It's really silly to think that using grooming products makes you less of a man. Those old ideas are just weird. It's time for us to ditch those thoughts and realize that taking care of ourselves is important. Let's support each other in looking and feeling our best. Having a clean and fresh self can really brighten your mood and help you connect with others. People often judge us by how we look and smell. If your nails are super long or your breath smells like your teacher's old coffee, it's going to be hard to make friends. Dental hygiene. So, let's talk about how to keep your mouth healthy. Taking care of your teeth is easier than you think. Make sure you brush your teeth 2 times a day, once in the morning to kickstart your day, and once at night to keep things fresh while you sleep. If you want to, you can brush after every meal, especially after eating something that makes your breath funky, like garlic or mayo. But don't stop there. You can also get a tongue scraper and some mouthwash to help get rid of the bacteria that cause bad breath. When you have a bright smile and fresh breath, you'll feel more confident and ready to connect with others. If you can get dental care that's free or cheap, go for it. Showering. And think about how often you shower. I know it's not easy to hear, but showering every day might not be great for your skin. Your skin is like a superhero shield, but when you wash it too much, it can get dry. Our skin has good bacteria that help keep us safe, and if you shower too often, those good guys can get messed up. So try to shower less often. Your skin will be so much happier. Do you feel gross if you don't shower every day? You're not alone. It's okay to shower daily, but make it special. Use soap or body wash just every other day or every few days to keep it exciting. When you do take a shower, keep it quick, like just 3 minutes, so it feels refreshing, like a cool waterfall. Make sure the water feels comfy for you. If you're not sure, try warm water. Instead of using those fancy smelly soaps, switch to some cool organic soaps that have stuff like charcoal in them. They're way better for your skin. If you're showering by yourself, get a back scrubber to really clean your back and make sure it shines. For your hair, give it some love too. Use shampoo and conditioner every 3rd wash. Your hair will thank you for taking care of it. Stick to this routine and you'll feel awesome and full of energy. If your hair feels really greasy, here's a cool tip. Try using just conditioner and only use shampoo every 3rd time you wash it. This simple change can help your scalp stay healthy and stop your hair from getting too oily, making it look fresh and bright. When you dry your hair, use a hairdryer on a low, gentle setting, or even better, use a soft old t-shirt to gently dry it without hurting your strands. Now, let's chat about grooming. You can decide if you want to trim your beard or shave your body hair. It's totally up to you. I like a clean shave, but I think all styles look great. If you decide to keep facial or body hair, use special products like beard oil and light shampoo to keep it nice and prevent any irritation. And when you do shave, make sure to use a clean razor and warm water. Then finish with a soothing balm or some baby oil to keep your skin feeling soft and smooth. To really up your self-care game, don't forget about your hands and feet. Make it a habit to trim and clean your nails on both, and you'll feel way better. Just get a good nail clipper. It's super easy to use and usually has a file built right in to make your nails look nice and smooth. Next up is skincare, which is like your canvas showing off your natural glow. Start with a gentle face wash, using it once or twice a day, first thing in the morning and before bed. Exfoliate a couple of times a week to get rid of dead skin that makes you look dull. If dark circles under your eyes bug you, get an eye cream to help make them lighter. Always keep your skin moisturized with a good lotion, and you can even add a serum for extra power. If you feel like treating yourself, put on a face mask once a week. And if you're struggling with acne, don't be shy about talking to a dermatologist for help in getting clear, glowing skin. Sunscreen is your skin's best buddy. Trust me, I found this out the hard way. When the sun is blazing and the UV levels are high, don't let your pride stop you from putting on sunscreen. You can totally get that nice sun-kissed glow while keeping your skin safe and sound. With sunscreen, you can enjoy the sunshine and not worry about your skin getting hurt or peeling like a banana later. Now, let's talk laundry. You might have lots of skincare products, but if your clothes aren't clean, your skin won't be its best. Make sure to wash your bed sheets every 2 weeks and take care of your towels too. And here's a big tip. Never use the same towel for your hands and your face. That's a big no-no. Keep your towels clean just like your clothes. It's all about making a clean space for your skin to thrive. Think of putting on a hat that's all sweaty and dirty. Your hair is going to look yucky, right? Well, your headphones can get just as grimy. If you have questions, just ask. You can leave a comment or search online. There are cool forums where people chat about keeping clean. You might notice I'm not pushing any brands in this video. It's not about selling stuff. If you're confused about what to buy, go to a store and talk to the workers. They'll help you find good products that you can check out later. And please, if you see someone struggling with their hygiene, don't make fun of them. Instead, say something nice to lift them up. Let's be kind and support each other. If you've made it this far, I have a powerful hygiene guide designed just for you, and it's completely free. This guide includes a checklist of essential hygiene steps, weekly and monthly tips, and even a printable habit tracker to help you stay consistent. All you need to do is comment hygiene on this video. Once we reach 50 comments, I'll share the link for everyone to download. And if you want to be the first to catch my next video because good hygiene habits are worth staying ahead of, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Your future fresh self will thank you.